Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discord bots using OpenAI for moderation workflows step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Discord server. Navigate to the server settings. Select the roles option from the menu. Create a new role for your bot. Assign necessary permissions for moderation, such as managing messages and kicking members. Next, visit the OpenAI website to access the API. Create an OpenAI account if you don't have one. Generate an API key from your OpenAI dashboard. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Open your preferred code editor or integrated development environment. Begin by installing the discord.js library. Use the command npm install discord.js in your terminal. Set up your project file structure with an index.js file. In your index.js file, import the necessary libraries. Instantiate a new Discord client using the discord.js library. Use your API key to configure the OpenAI API client. Set up event listeners for message events. In the message event, check if the message starts with a specific command. If the command matches, send the message content to the OpenAI API for analysis. Process the response from OpenAI. Implement logic to moderate the message based on the response. If the message is deemed inappropriate, delete it from the channel. Notify the user about the moderation action taken. Test your bot in a safe environment. Invite the bot to your Discord server using the OAuth2 URL. Monitor the bot's performance to refine its moderation capabilities. Document any issues or improvements needed in a log. Continuously update the bot to adapt to new moderation needs and rules. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.